And this blood clot I explode.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
Blood clot ya catch a fire. I can't save it.
So if you're a subscriber, as you can see, a JUTC bus a catch a fire, it a overheat, you see me? And we have some citizens try to put it out, try to cool it down, you see me? Because this situation is a very dangerous situation. It can explode, it can kill a lot of people in the area, you see me? So I'm gonna play the rest of the video and make you see what really take place. And only can make me know think about it, you see me?
Tell us that they're gonna see him. Driver the fool, you fuck. Fire. Fire. Put some more in them and cool it down. Put me in it and cool it down, man. Cool it down. Just cool it down, man. Good now. Good now.
What's water?
Water. What's done, but the good now.
Water in there.
Alright? I mean,
So, if you're a subscriber, all I can say is it's a good thing. Nothing bad never happened. It's a good thing everybody came together and help out. You see me? But it's a dangerous thing if you know say you're standing there and a video that could be very dangerous because suppose the bus they blow up now. You with that there a video just post on your TikTok now, you would lose your life. You see me? So people need to see danger and like stay away from it, stay far from it because you could lose your life there. So you see me? When you get to myself you're a subscriber. So I have to know when it's dangerous and to stay far from it because anything bad could happen. You see me? But as I say, it's a good thing everybody came together and dealt with the problem, and even see the bus on same way. And that's not a good thing. Because that could have even caused more things to happen in that situation because the bus is on, you see me? So big up to everybody who came together. Good to see that we have people like these out there same way. You see me? So yeah man, only can remember nothing about that via subscriber. And I think the situation happened in downtown Kingston. You see me? So wanna just be safe out there via subscriber. Just be careful on the streets like me always say. Be careful, you see me? Yeah man.